Step in, zip up, and get outside. Our baby Snowpile One Piece might be the simplest part of your kiddo's snow day. The 100% recycled shell fabric meets our tough H2No performance standard for protection that's waterproof and breathable. Little ones stay safely dry thanks to fully sealed seams and a durable water-repellent coating that's made without PFCs, also known as PFAS, or forever chemicals. Cubs stay cozy on the coldest days thanks to 150-gram thermogreen recycled polyester insulation, a 3-panel hood, and soft polyester knit lining at the neck, center back, and zipper. And when things start to thaw, that hood can easily snap off for slushy snow play. Serious little snow lovers will appreciate features like a lift pass pocket on their left sleeve, adjustable internal boot straps, and built-in back knee articulation for enhanced mobility. And parents will like how GrowFit elasticized cuffs allow sleeves and pants to fold up and down, decreasing or increasing length by 1 1/4 inches as little ones get bigger, or it's passed along to a littler friend. A handed-down label leaves room for lots of names because the baby Snowpile One Piece is built to last. Let the littles out there to enjoy them.